So, how can we bring back balance? The first steps are simple. Stop snacking and leave 3 to 4 hours between meals. Eat warm seasonal food, sip hot water throughout the day, and follow a steady daily rhythm. Even setting aside a weekend of light, simple meals like khichdi, warm soups, leafy greens can help digestion adjust and make the seasonal shift easier. But here's something important to know. During a cleanse, meals are kept deliberately simple. Even healthy foods like aubergines, chickpeas, or kidneys, and all meat and fish are left out. Not because they are bad, but because they take more digestive effort than the body can spare whilst it's resetting. Could you imagine trying just one of these this week? Maybe leaving a few hours between the meals, or sipping hot water instead of drinking coffee and tea. Even that small shift can make a big difference. But here's where a 7-day cleanse really creates shifts. A short weekend reset will ease digestion and help with the transition. But it won't touch those deeper issues like the dry skin, restless sleep, bloating, or fatigue. Over a full week, easy to digest, nourishing meals, supporting herbs, and simple daily practices and give your system the time it needs to reset. The senses get a chance to recover, and your body is steadily nourished, so you enter winter with strength. Wouldn't it be wonderful to head into winter with that steadiness, knowing your body feels strong, your immune system is strong, and your mind is calm? This is when the true shift happens. Clearer skin, calmer sleep, steadier energy, and stronger immunity. So, what actually happens during an autumn cleanse? Here's a snapshot of a typical day. Meals are based on seasonal food. Based is on khichdi, soups, root vegetables, and leafy greens like mentioned before. All warm, grounding, and easy to digest. Drinks include hot water, that's a must. Cumin, coriander, fennel tea or ginger licorice tea to soothe digestion and calm dryness in the tissues. Daily self-care might be a warm oil massage, steady early bedtime, or simple routines to hydrate the skin and soothe the senses. And yoga and breathing practices are gentle. Surya Namaskar, twists, forward and back bends, alternate nostril breathing, and deep relaxation. Simple, but when followed for 7 days, these practices give digestion the reset it needs, rehydrate the skin, and steady the mind.